Yeah, it is alleged that Siya Kolisi is now dating Jessica Mutau. And I feel like that's a smart move, you know. I mean, I know we Kaizer Chiefs yadliwa kula malanga, but Lerato Nxumalo made some statement. Apparently, she was saying shit like South African men are womanizers. Can we at least, guys, catch a break? Don't throw us under the bus, man. You don't see us saying that most of the South African ladies are prostitutes. We don't say that. Just say all the men you encountered were womanizers. Not all of us, the influencers, gotta pay tax recently, you know. So without the taxpayers' money, the government is fucked. Apparently, Moshe owes SARS 1.2 million, and it is said that if he doesn't pay, they're gonna seize his assets. You know, my thing is most of these celebrities, like I said, they are just starting businesses because they don't want to pay more tax on their personal accounts. So Selaelo Solota is demanding 90,000 rands from Ringo Madlingo. They gave him a 90,000 deposit, and then Ringo decided to change management, and then the new management decided to cancel the gig. They're saying that he's not gonna perform. I feel like podcasters are the journalists of the current generation. You know?